So you want to change? You want to become better? You think it's just going to happen by itself? The Tikkunei Zohar explains that according to the level of meditation and contemplation and concentration a person has on something, that's the type of feeling that he gives birth to. If a person gives a very small, superficial type of attention and concentration, he will give birth to eggs. It will be closed. You'll have a feeling, but it will never express itself. If you concentrate a little more, you might give birth to chicks, small little birds that have small wings but can't fly on their own. I have a desire. I'm excited about changing, but I'm just not transforming myself. In order to give birth to full-grown birds with their wings, which means full-grown emotions, with wings that can fly by themselves and drive you to the place you need to go, you need to take the time and not shoot from the hip and just at a moment where you're suddenly excited, make a decision. Take the time at night to contemplate and really think, how can I get closer to where I need to be? How can I fulfill my mission? And then you are already on the right track.